choose to do things instead of having to do things. Right? In Spanish, it's the same way. How many of you guys are bilingual? In Spanish, it's the same way. It's the same way. What do we say? Ay, tengo que hacer. Tengo que. Right? Instead, estoy escogiendo. También puedes con yo quiero, pero cuando escoges es más librante, ¿sí? So when you choose to do something, it's much more liberating. Much more liberating. I choose. Right? But you have to be honest with it. You have to be willing to work with it. So I'm going to ask you as your homework. So here's the homework. I'm going to ask you to observe yourself and observe your words. And you're going to write in your journal 10 times that you've used the words have to and when you use them. Catch yourself. I want you to catch yourself. Okay? That's in your homework section. So let's say I put today's date on there. I'm going to put today's date on there, and it's going to say, I caught myself today. I said I have to eat dinner. How nourishing do you think that dinner is when you've already told yourself, I have to eat dinner, right? Not very nourishing, right? And that is one of the reasons that we splurge on fast food. Because it's a mindless activity. And in yoga, what we do is we don't do things mindlessly. We do things very mindfully. Write that down. In yoga, this is back in your notes, we don't do things mindlessly. We do things mindfully. In yoga, we do things mindfully. Does that make sense? All right, so okay, is the homework clear? Yes.
We don't do things
mindlessly.
Okay.
We do things mindfully. Okay, do we understand the homework? 10 times. I don't care if you do it all in one day. I don't care if you do it a couple tomorrow, a couple, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It doesn't matter. But 10 times, I want you to catch yourself when you say, I have to. One of my students did this last semester, and within 2 hours, he had already done it. He said, I can't believe I used the word have to so many times. Some of you are going to find out that you don't even realize what's happening, okay? Do we get it? Homework done. The other piece of the homework is you're going to write your name a lot better so that I can, and a lot nicer so I can actually begin to learn your names. Yeah? I'm not going to ask you to begin reading. Some students have emailed me saying they haven't bought the book yet. So I'm going to give you until next Tuesday to get that book. Okay? By next Tuesday you should have it. You can stop me, Jose.